Master bell ringer.
This is a video of Carl showing us how to ring our church bell properly. So, Carl, what I saw was that you were keeping both hands on the rope at all times. Is that right?
Yes.
And you started at about eye level.
Mm-hmm. We don't allow the rope to slip through our hands.
Okay.
We don't let go of the rope at any time. We maintain a little bit of tautness so that the rope stays within the wheel confines and in the pulley confines. And we've lightened it up significantly by removing a lot of things that were put there to keep it in place because it was improperly being run.
Okay. And in order to ring to use the main rope of the bell, you have to undo the tolling rope.
And that most likely was the same when it was in place before.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much.
All right.